Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it to enable notification for more future online videos. Right, we are continuing on Postman series. Today we will see, so far we have seen REST requests, how to handle the REST request, JSON response, XML response. Right, today we'll see SOAP service. Right, one I want to explain so that you will get also idea how to handle the SOAP services. Right, first we will see what is SOAP services. Right, initial classes we have seen SOAP is a simple object access protocol. Right, SOAP uses a service interface. SOAP is a protocol. Right, like REST is a architectural style. Right, that is not a protocol, that is a architectural style. SOAP uses XML. REST uses JSON, XML, plain text, HTML. SOAP is like an envelope. SOAP requires more server and bandwidth. SOAP supports WS security. SOAP have a web service description language. SOAP API exposes operation. Alright. SOAP is like it will contain some WSDL file, web service description language. Right, whenever banking services, financial services, more security we need then we will go for SOAP. Right, Postman provided some default SOAP UI services. Just right, I will share this URL in the comment section. You can get from there. Right, it has some default. These are the SOAP services provided by calculator numbers. Right, some temperature. Right, these are. We will see number one. Right. Okay. Right, it will be like this. It will have a SOAP. Will have a SOAP envelope, SOAP body. Right, it will have a XML tags. Right, SOAP is like a XML. It will be XML tags. So, right, SOAP envelope, SOAP body. Right, it will have a in JSON we will have a tag, key and value page. Similarly here also number of words, inside number of words again, UBI number. It will, I will just show you WSDL file how to get it. This is the number. I will copy this also. WSDL file. We can directly on top we have run in Postman. Right, if we click on it, directly run in Postman, these are all WSDLs will automatically come into into the Postman. I have gathered this. This is the WSDL file, one of the WSDL file. What it will contain? It will contain the services. What services it has. In REST API, what we will have? We will have a URLs. Similarly, here what it will have? It will have a services. Here operations are there. This is all the syntax of the WSDL file. This will create. We no need to worry about it. This will be given by developers. They will publish the server. They will give the WSDL URL. Just we have to import it. We no need to worry about it. Just we should know. This is the one. This is the one service. Number to word. If you give the number, it will convert to word. Then this is one service. Number to dollar. If you give the number, it will convert to dollar. Two services we have. Just how to import it. Just copy this. I will provide in the comment section. Just you can check it. Come to import Postman. Come to import it. Paste it here. In the text box, just paste here. Just first one. Select it. Import it. Now we got there are two. One is there. One is the older one. One is the new one. We can use any one. Click on the number to word. Number to word. This is the what type of variable? This is the collection variable. How to see collection variable? You can click on the collection and then click on the edit. Variable section. If you go see in the variable section, what is the host? www.dataaccess.com. Otherwise you will confuse it again. From where it is getting? It is getting from the collection variable. If you mouse over, it will show what is the value. Then it has a body. See, SOAP envelope. it will come automatically. Once we import that widget file, it will come automatically. This is the URL of it. Right, here we are giving 100, then just click on it. Default 100 is there. Right, if you run it, what will happen? It will convert this 100 into words. Is it working? That some error was coming. Connection reset. I think maybe this widget file is not working. We will get one more. Right, we will see next one, calculator. How to get widget file? Just click on the multiply. Right, multiply. Right, click on the calculator. Right, and then what is here differently? Okay, just copy this. Open the one more tab and then question mark to the WSDL digital. Let's see, it will open like this. Right, digital. Just right click on this header one, calculator. Right, and then copy this, paste, and then question mark digital. It will come. Copy this. Come to Postman. Click on the import. Again, copy that URL. Import it. Right, fine. Number 2, calculator. Right, we have imported calculator. Just open. Right, I think currently the servers are down. What we can do is, one way is, right, click on the calculator. In the right side, if you see curl command we are getting. Right, we know how to. Just copy this curl command. Right, copy this curl command. Go to Postman. Import it. Paste curl command. Right, import with that. If you want to import into collection, you can directly import into. Select the which collection you want, or with import without saving. Right, I just click on import with. Just now change the body. This is the multiplication. 2 numbers if you provide, it will multiply and give the response. Right, fine. Okay, it's working fine. Right, either like this also we can create it. Right, either directly widget file or like this also. Right, it is working. Now how to validate it? Right, how to validate this response in the right. How to validate this JSON response? Right, now what we can do in the script section, right, post response. Right, here, right, suppose here I will tell you, right, how to use the post bot. Right, post in the down, if you see there is a post bot. If you click on it, right, now I don't know how to. Right, first what we will do, we will convert. Right, we will ask chat post bot. Right, convert XML to JSON. Right, what is the code? Right, just it will provide the code. First I don't know that code. Right, I am asking chatbot. Right, it is given. Let's see. That is the usage of chatbot. If you don't know anything, you can ask post bot. This post bot, it will give the right some tips or code also it will provide. Now result is given. What I will do, I will store in the JSON. Right, JSON object. What it will do, it will take parse text. Right, this method first we have to import it, then parse text. Right, this text whatever we have provided, it will convert into JSON. Right, but we will assign, this is the local object. Right, if you want to do the validation, here only we can do. I want to assign this result to outside. Right, to here. Then what we can do, JSON equal to this one, result assigned to that JSON we will get. Right, if you want to create a test cases, you can create the test cases also, pm.test. If you don't know, just click on it. Right, just if you click on it, right, it will give the right. Then we can write down here. Now how to first JSON object dot. Right, if you keep dot, In the previous class I explained you, right? Here if you have a suppose right, if you want to validate, right, first we will see, right, first what we will do after conversion, just I will print in the console dot right log how it is coming. This JSON, right, open the console, clear the console, just execute it. Cannot access JSON before initialization. Right, clear it. Just right, I have given a mistake. Equal to, just remove equal to, semicolon, and then console.log JSON, print it. Now just execute it. Right, see, it is converted into JSON. It is showing it. Right, what is the root to? Root node is soap envelope, then soap body. Right, then we have a response. Then it is going like this. Right. Right, it is coming, see, single node also it is coming like a array. It is coming array. How to ignore this array? Right, I don't want array for each node. Right, simple one also if you want to ignore that. Right, it is not opening. Right, in the pm.parse this parse text, right, what we have to do, one more argument we have to add, explicit array false. What it will do, right, in the previously, right, if you see the how it is coming, for each and every node it is creating array. See, if you observe one, that means array. Right, now if we add that, right, if we add that script and then if you click on send, right, let me clear the logs. Right, now if you see, so body, right, see, it is directly coming. Now it is not creating any array. Right, now if we say, just I have written how to extract the data from this, from the JSON response. Right, first we have to give soap colon envelope. If we give directly, right, previous class I told you JSON dot, so usually how JSON object we will pass, JSON dot parent dot child dot child. Suppose if we give, it will throw error because it has some colon. If we have any colon in the tag, right, here tag is soap colon envelope. Right, what we have to do, JSON square bracket single quotes we have to give. What is the child node? Soap envelope is the parent, soap body. Again it has a colon, follow the square bracket syntax. Then here we don't have any colon, right? We can directly give data. You can follow either this syntax or combine of this syntax also. Right, multi-response dot multi-result. Right, just I am printing in the log, just send it. Right, if you see console C, it is printed. Right, it is printed 6. Right, like this we have to read the data from the right, XML body. Right, we can if you want to validate, just store it in a variable and then you can write some test case and then validate it. Right, okay, just I have written quickly one test case. Right, pm.test, you can go to snippets and click on write anything, body, response body, you will get this. Right, pm.expect, first whatever we have extracted, right, this one given the expected, and then what is the, right, this is the actual. First we have to give the actual, then expected. What we are expecting in the single quotes, 6. Right, if you want numbers only, then we have to convert the string to numbers. Right, just click on the send. Let's see, it is passed. Right, it is working fine. Right, if you have any queries, right, any doubts, any suggestions, please comment in the comment section. Right, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, share it to your friends. Right, like the video. Thanks for watching.